Hey everyone, and welcome. This video will guide you through installing Cultivare, the open source software that helps you manage and optimize your mushroom cultivation. Cultivare makes it easy to organize your strains, track their lineage, and improve your yields. Please support this project. Find us on Patreon. Let's begin. First things first, you'll need a computer with Docker already installed. We won't cover that in this video, but there are tons of great tutorials on YouTube to walk you through it. Now open up the Docker application and make sure the Docker engine is running. All right, let's get Cultivare up and running. First, we'll create a new folder on your desktop called Cultivare. This will be the home for your Cultivare installation files. Step 2. Download the two files attached to this post, dockercompose.yml and the .env file. Save both of these files into the Cultivare folder we just created on your desktop. Make sure they're both in there before moving on. It's important to make sure that the .env file starts with a dot. That's how the computer knows it's a special kind of file. Now, if you have a Brother label printer and want to use it with Cultivare, you can configure it in this .env file using a text editor like Notepad. Here you can specify how your printer connects to your computer, the model of your printer, its address, and the size of the labels you're using. We'll have a separate post with detailed explanations of all these settings. If you don't have a Brother label printer, no worries. You can skip this step for now and move on to the next part of the installation. We're planning to add support for more label printer brands soon. Head over to our Patreon page to suggest and vote on the printers you'd like to see integrated with Cultivare. Time to fire up Cultivare. Open your command prompt or terminal window. Now we need to navigate to the Cultivare folder we created earlier. Since mine is on the desktop, I'll type in cd desktop/cultivare and press enter. Let's make sure our files are here. Type dir and press enter. You should see the Docker Compose and .env files listed. Perfect. Now for the magic. Type in docker-composeup-d and press enter. This command tells Docker to download everything Cultivare needs and start it in the background. You'll see some activity in the command prompt as it sets everything up. You can also check your Docker desktop application to see that Cultivare is running. All green means you're good to go. And that's it. Open your web browser and go to http://localhost:8580 to access your Cultivare app. Let's make sure everything is working correctly. Here's the sample culture opening nicely. Now let's try creating a new culture. Perfect. We'll close it, find it again in our list, open it back up, and add a note. And that's it for today. You're awesome for following along. Remember, Cultivare is open source software for everyone. If you found this helpful, please consider supporting us on Patreon so we can keep developing and improving Cultivare for the whole community. Thanks for watching and happy cultivating!